Remember that chorus, I've decided to follow Jesus? You remember that? Singing that as a kid? Man, I've sung it so many times. I never knew the story behind it. Did you know where that came from? The wording from that came from India. After the Welsh revival, there was a missionary that went into Northeast India. And while he was there in Northeast India, he began to share the gospel. And there was a village that had never heard the gospel. And they were very, very violent people. And this father and mother and two boys from the village received Jesus. They said, we will follow Christ. When the chief heard about it, he brought them out in front of the whole village. And he said, you've got to renounce this new faith, this name that we've never heard. You've got to renounce it. And the father stepped up and said, no, I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. With that, the chief gave the command, and the two boys were shot with arrows. As those two kids are lying there in the dirt, dying, the chief looks at him and says, you've got to renounce this faith. And the father said, no turning back. Though none go with me, I still will follow. And with that, the chief gave the order. The wife was shot. So now it's just the guy. And the chief said, I don't understand. You've got to renounce this faith. And he says, the cross before me, the world behind me. I have decided to follow Jesus Christ. They shot him. And the testimony of history of that village is that they all, because of this couple, wanted to know more about Jesus, and the chief himself became a follower of Jesus Christ, and the whole village became followers of Jesus Christ.